Want to earn free crypto? Let's see how to grab airdrops automatically, step by step. First, set up a trusted crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure it's ready to receive tokens. Next, connect your wallet to popular airdrop platforms such as CoinMarketCap Earn, Airdrop.io, or DApp Radar. Follow social media accounts and official project pages. Many airdrop require small tasks like joining a Telegram group or retweeting. Now, automate tracking with bots and aggregator tools that alert you whenever new drops are live. And always double check for scams. Only connect your wallet to verified platforms and never share your seed phrase. And that's it. With these steps, you'll start earning crypto airdrops automatically and safely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.